Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send Google Calendar invite in email. In order to do that, first of all, you have to head over to Google Calendar, sign up with your account, and after that, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now in the top left right corner, you can filter by days, week, month, and year. Now, to invite with your email, what you have to do, you have to create an event on a date. For example, I will create a day, event on 24 or 25. Just simply click on that. Now, you have to give a title of the event, for example, meeting, and then you have to click on the add guest. Now, you have to enter email of that guest, for example. So I have added this email, as you can see here. Just simply add that, and it will now just simply click on the save. And would you like to send invitation email to Google Calendar guest? Yes, click on the send. Now go back to your email, and as you can see here, I got the email from. So I got the email. As you can see here, I can join with the Google Meet. So this is how you can invite to someone with the help of email. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.